Welcome to Cooling Monsters. Tired of battling the heat in large spaces? Introducing the CMF151 Giant Fan. Launched in September 2022, it delivers powerful high-capacity cooling with exceptional efficiency, durability, and user-friendly reliability. It is perfect for warehouses, factories, gymnasiums, and event spaces. Equipped with a powerful motor and aerodynamically designed blades, the CMF151 delivers an impressive airflow of 40,000 cubic meters per hour, effectively ventilating areas up to 600 square meters. The precision-crafted blades propel air up to 35 meters, ensuring consistent air circulation and uniform cooling throughout large indoor and semi-outdoor environments. Measuring 150 centimeters wide, 80 centimeters deep, and 170 centimeters tall, CMF151 is designed for big, heavy-duty cooling in vast spaces. The sturdy frame and smooth rolling casters make relocation effortless. Simply plug in and power up for instant, refreshing airflow. Upgrade your cooling game with our cooling monsters, CMF151 Giant Fan.